The one sauce of all sauces in the world, Mang Tomas. All-purpose sauce. Put it on anything. Hamburgers, roast pork, sprained ankles, everything. I ain't gonna come to Houston and not do me. That's right, we're gonna do Filipino. This next spot that we're gonna go, we're gonna probably see those flavors of longanisa, banana ketchup, mixing it with a little bit of American. What's up, guys?
Kamusta ka na, pare?
What's up, man? I brought a little present for you guys right here. Check that out.
Hey, Mang Tomas!
Come on, Tito.
Our goal is to like share our Filipino culture and our food, marrying it with something familiar for everybody, like the burger. So we kind of like use the burger as a bridge between our culture and the American culture.
Whose crazy idea was to open up a food truck?
This guy right here ruined my life.
What'd you do before that?
I did IT for 10 years to make my parents happy.
And both of you cousins, your parents came here from the Philippines.
Yes, back in the 70s.
For what reason?
Both my parents were engineers.
And how's the Filipino community here?
Here, very small.
Oh yeah?
In this area. Like when me and Don were talking about it, we're like, can we just serve straight up Filipino food? Are people gonna come? Or do we give them something familiar? Oh, there's burgers. Oh, I like these burgers. Okay, I trust this team. Let me try their Filipino rice plates now. You can kind of see them slowly trusting Filipino food.
How was it to take that leap of faith and open up a truck?
The opening day, we just got slaughtered.
Like we marketed a certain date. Our builder couldn't get it to us till 11 p.m. the night before. We loaded the truck up and then prepped all night. It was crazy, stupid. And then we opened the windows. There's like 100 people in line and we're like, oh, dang. I mean, it was part-time for the first 2 months. We just go out weekends. Then as soon as we knew like people loved us, we dropped our day jobs and we went full-time.
And here we are 5 years later.
Right.
With the truck still.
We do about like 1,000 to 1,200 pounds of fries a day in the truck. We hand cut it, flash fry it, freeze it, bag it. This is a secret chicken sauce. It's called the pupu sauce. It's like a sweet ginger soy sauce almost.
Okay.
The original recipe from our Lola or our grandma is chicken wings. It's hard to eat wings off a truck, right? So we made it into like a boneless form. So we just cut up some thighs, lightly bread it, part cook it, and cook the part cooked chicken.
That's gonna be the topping for the fries, huh?
Yes, sir. Do a crisscross drizzle. First our spicy sauce, and then banana ketchup aioli. This is our chicken pupu flippin' fries.
One with it, flow hot right now, you've been down in it. One with it, flow hot right now, you've been down in it.
We have our in-house ground certified Angus beef, then our house-made longanisa.
Flow hot right now, you've been down in it.
We used our shopao, which is a steamed bun in the Philippines, and kind of tweaked it to where it fits the burger flavors.
I'm like, go there, girl, do your thing. Breezing when I'm easing, when you're drinking, who you linking, man, a real kingpin. Came to the dance, no pretending. Level to the ting out here is never ending. Body look good when the baseline.
We top it with a fresh tomato, banana ketchup aioli, and then our house-made longanisa. And then we top it off with a sunny side egg.
No disturbing when we ride with him. No disguising when you see me rising.
That's it right there, the jeepney burger oozing all over.
Hey, a messy burger is a good burger. This is like one of our traditional Filipino rice plates, garlic toasted rice, which is sinangag in the Philippines. You know, bite-sized chicken thigh pieces. We call it the pupu sauce, like a sweet ginger soy sauce. It's inspired by Don's grandma's recipe. We actually roll these pork lumpia like in-house.
Pupu plate is in honor of
My Lola. Lola's grandma.
Yeah. Lola was the cook of the family.
She was. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, took care of us, took care of other kids. Had a whole bunch of kids just running around in the house. Yeah.
So this is your lumpia you buy from Costco, huh? So what's the filling for your lumpia?
Pork shoulder, we grind it, put a little bit of carrots, onions, seasonings,
Okay.
a little bit of magic. Just been grinding. The best pupu you'll have in your life.
Good one, man.
Thank you.
Lola would be proud, bro.
I hope so.
So each of our burgers have like a theme. This is kind of like a jeepney burger. Jeepneys are mode of transportation in the Philippines. So this is kind of like our mode of transportation from being drunk to sober.
All right,
You know?
we're gonna jump into the jeepney burger.
Get it.
You guys didn't go into culinary school or anything?
No, we went to the culinary school of Lola and Mama. Uncles, aunts, moms, dads, culinary school family.
As you get older, you want to know where your roots are. And then my way of connecting to that is through food.
Like, yeah, we're here in America living the American dream, but, you know, remember where you came from.
This is just a start, though. I mean, we want to bridge way more gaps, indulging in Filipino food.
You guys putting out legit food, man.
We also experienced the karaoke part because, like, every Filipino party,
You get karaoke.
yeah, at the end of the night, everyone's singing karaoke.
Wind
dude.
beneath my wings.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Lights, camera, showtime.
Raja Sweets is like King Sweets, you know?
King Sweets. Coming to the right spot, man.